Welcome to our class. Get ready, this is your English text class. Students of class 5. Are you ready, students? Yes, Kaustav, very good morning. Today is very cold morning. Shoirik, Lavani, Jannat, very cold morning. Don't go outside today. Cold wind is blowing. Okay. Very good morning, Jannat. Then Shomojit also. Students, today we will do English text. Can you tell me in the previous class which chapter we completed? Who can tell me which story? Let me see who can tell me first. Vanilla, very good morning. Now tell me in the previous class which story we completed and the question answer also. Yes, Jannat, the talkative barbar, and also we completed the question answer. Do you remember that? Do you remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you remember? From talkative barbar we completed. So, open page number, listen, page number 106, 107. 106, 107 is not needed right now. Now, we will move to the next poem, Topsy-Turvy Land, page number 110, page number 110. Open page number 110, Topsy-Turvy Land. Get ready. Get ready. Topsy-Turvy Land. Now, I want to say something. Students, just listen. Talkative barbar and the Topsy-Turvy Land. Talkative barbar and Topsy-Turvy Land. These two chapters, okay, will be in PT2 from English text. Remember, you will get the information from the, you will get it later also, but now just I am telling talkative barbar and Topsy-Turvy Land, these two chapters for PT2, right? Now, for English grammar, no, Jannat, we didn't read class discussion, did we? Did we read English class discussion? Did we? Arnab? Shomojit? No. So, for PT2, the talkative barbar and the Topsy-Turvy Land, right? Now, for English grammar. For English grammar, articles, verbs, words that may often be confused. 3 chapters from English grammar. Articles, verbs, words that may often be confused, right students? So, how many chapters from English grammar? Who can tell me? From English grammar for PT2, how many chapters from English grammar? 3, okay. And how many chapters from English text? Can you write? Can you show me? English text, 2 chapters, talkative barbar and Topsy-Turvy Land. And for grammar, articles, verbs and words that often may be confused, right? Now, come to Topsy-Turvy Land, students, come first. Page number 110, Topsy-Turvy Land. So, Topsy-Turvy Land is it is an imaginary land, okay, where everything is not the same as it is in our normal land. So, let us read the poem. Topsy-Turvy Land. Have you ever thrown your school bag on your bed? Have you? Students, can you answer me? Yes, isn't it? Have you ever left your shoes and socks here and there? Okay, no, very nice, Reha and Oindrila. Does your room, have you ever played with your ball in your room? No, very good. Does your room sometimes look like this? No. I am so proud of you, students. Now, let us start the poem. The people walk upon their heads, the sea is made of sand, the children go to school by night in Topsy-Turvy Land. So, in Topsy-Turvy Land, people walk upon their heads, but in our land, we walk upon with our legs. The sea is made of sand. In our land, sea is made of water and salty water. Saline water. Now, the children go to school by night In our land, children go to school by day. The front door step is at the back. How funny, na? The front door, but it is at the back. You are walking when you stand. Is it in our normal land? In our land, when we are walking, that means we are walking, we are not standing there. You wear your hat upon your feet in topsy-turvy land. But in our land, we wear a hat upon our head, isn't it? And buses on the sea you will meet, while pleasure boats are planned. So, in topsy-turvy land, the buses move on the sea and the boats move on the street. But in our land, buses move, but in topsy-turvy land, buses move on the sea and boats are moving on the street. But in our land, buses move on the street and boats are moving on the water, isn't it? So, to travel up and down the streets of topsy-turvy land. Jannat wrote, ma'am, how can a bus go in a sea? That is the funny thing, that is the strange thing about that is the special thing about the topsy-turvy land, Jannat. That's why the poem is funny. You pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand. Is it? You pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand. How can it be? Isn't it, students? We pay for what we get, what we want to buy, what we want to purchase. We pay for that. We don't pay for what we never get. Is it possible? But in topsy-turvy land, it is possible. For when you go, you are coming back in topsy-turvy land. For when you go, you want to go somewhere, but in reality what you will do in topsy-turvy land, you will come back. If you come back, that means you are going. I mean, totally opposite from our land. Ma'am, what is grand? Here grand means, I think it must be grand. That means excellent, darun, okay, marvelous. Is it a marvelous thing that you are paying for what you will never get? Is it a grand thing? No. Okay. Now, so this is the poem. So, students, again, the people walk upon their heads, the sea is made of sand. The children go to school. Ma'am, the name is only topsy-turvy land, so of course everything will be yes, yes. The people walk upon their heads, the sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night in topsy-turvy land. So, in topsy-turvy land, people walk. Okay, let me count how many strange things are there. People walk upon their heads, the sea is made of sand, children go to school by night, okay. The front door step is at the back and you are walking when you stand, you wear your hat upon your feet. Buses on the sea, boats are on the street, okay. You pay for what you never get, for when you go, you are coming back. How many strange things are there? How many? 10. So, it is quite awkward, na students? In our land, totally opposite. Hey, Nilanjan, you wrote 0. How can it be 0? Okay, so this is the poem. So, students, now let's count the difference. The first, in topsy-turvy land, people walk upon their head. In our land, people walk upon their, people walk legs, feet. Okay. Next, sea is made of sand. Now tell me, in our land, sea is made of water, saline water. Next, the children go to school by night. In our land, children go to school By day. But students, do you go to school by day right now? Right now, we are in the virtual classroom, isn't it? But in practical life, in our land, students go to school by day. Next, the front door step is at the back. If I can call it front door, then how can it be back? Yes, Jannat, yes. Now the corner is topsy-turvy. Okay. Students, if I call this front door, then how can it be back? Isn't it? Front and back, they are totally opposite. So, you are walking when you stand. That means in our land, now I am standing here. Okay, Lavani, switch off. In our land, I am standing and I am teaching you. Isn't it, students? We are reading the topsy-turvy land. But in topsy-turvy land, that means I am walking now. Isn't it? That means I am walking and teaching this class. How funny. And students, you are also walking. You are also walking and I am also walking if we are in the topsy-turvy land. So, it would be so funny, na? Okay. Next, you wear your hat upon your feet. But in our land, we wear your hat where? Where? You wear your hat upon our head. Yes. And buses on the sea you will meet. Look, if I need to travel by bus, then I have to move to the sea. Then only I can avail the bus in topsy-turvy land. And if I want to travel by boat, then I need to wait at the bus stand so that boat will come. But in our land, we avail buses on the street road, and if we want to travel by boat, then we need to go to the sea or river, isn't it? Okay. Then pleasure boats are planned here to go through the sea. Okay. So, to travel up and down the street of topsy-turvy land, you pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand. How can it be grand? Just think, students, we all love ice cream, especially you. For you all, ice cream is your favorite thing, favorite food, isn't it? So, you went to an ice cream parlor. You went to a parlor and then you want to buy chocolate ice cream. Then what you will do? You will pay the amount and then you will get. At the cost of the you will get the ice cream. But in topsy-turvy land, you will pay the amount, but you don't need ice cream. You don't need ice cream. How can it be? Okay. So, you pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand. Students, do you think it is grand? Do you think it is grand? Yes. If you want to buy something, you paid for that and you will not get. How can it be? And you will be sad, isn't it? You paid for the ice cream and you did not get it. Then you will be sad. Now, for when you go, you are coming back. If you want to go somewhere, what you will do? You will come back. If I can't go there, how can I be back? Isn't it? So, yes, Srija, Shoirik. Okay. So, Shaptak, right. For when you go, you are coming back in topsy-turvy land. So, students, this is the poem. How was the poem? Did you enjoy? Today's class is very short, only for 15 minutes, okay. So, I hope you all enjoyed this poem. Okay. So, students, read the poem again and again and learn the spellings, okay. So, today up to this. Bye, students. Bye bye. Bye, students. So, you all enjoyed and now bye. Till then, stay well.